Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your iCloud storage and also increase iCloud storage and also protect your data from hackers from iCloud. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start. Firstly, open your settings. So tab on Apple ID and tab on iCloud. So friends, you can see here iCloud 287.7 MB of 5 GB used. So manage how apps on your devices use your iCloud storage. So friends, if you change storage plan, then tab on change storage plan. So friends, you can see here more storage and powerful features. So iCloud Plus plans include private relay, hide my email, custom email, domains, and HomeKit secure videos. And scroll down. Now you can see here 50 GB and just 200 for a month. Storage for your photos, file, and backups. So if you want to increase your storage for iCloud, suppose that 200 GB or 2 TB or 6 TB and 12 TB. So you can see all the prices mentioned of GBs and TB. So it depends on you which GB or TB you want to buy. So suppose that you want to 200 GB, then tab on select and upgrade to iCloud Plus. So if you not, then tab on not now. So go back and scroll down and you can see here advanced data protection. It's for use your iCloud safety and your data protections. So tab on advanced data protection. Wait a minute. So you can see here advanced data protection. iCloud encrypts your data to keep it secure. Advanced data protection uses end-to-end encryption to ensure that the iCloud data types listed here can only be decrypted on your trusted devices, protecting your information even in the case of the data breach in the cloud. Because Apple will not have the keys required to recover your data, you will be guided through verification of your recovery methods in case you ever lose access to your account. So tab on turn on advanced data protection. You can see here account recovery. To turn on advanced data protection, a recovery contact or recovery keys is required. Your device passcode can also be used to recover your data. So tab on account recovery. So you can see here process of your recovery key is here. So you will be responsible for your data recovery. Set up account recovery. Tab on set up account recovery. So add recovery contact and recovery key. So add your recovery contact. So friends, add your recovery contact to recover your data from iCloud. So tab on add recovery contact. So go back and also recovery key. Tab on recovery key So you can see here recovery key toggle is off. Tap on toggle and turn it on. And are you sure you want to create a recovery key? If you lose your recovery key and cannot access your devices, Apple will not be able to help you regain access to your account or your data. So tap on use recovery key. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Enter the passcode you use to unlock this iPhone to turn on your recovery key. So tap your passcode. So friends, recovery key is available now. This key will be required to recover your account and data if you can't use your passcode or trusted phone numbers. Print a copy or write down your recovery key. Keep it in a safe place so you always have access to your Apple ID. So friends, please don't share this key to anyone because this key have power to unlock your iPhone and unlock your Apple ID or iCloud ID. So don't share to anyone. So tap on continue. So verify recovery key. Enter your recovery key to continue. If you want to manually type, then type the recovery key, and if you want to scan, then scan. So go back. So friends, go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to manage your iCloud storage and increase your iCloud storage and also data protection from any website or any other person. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and also press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.